Okay, I hope you get that. And lastly, I think we can go to the graph. And under the graph, we have also tracers here. Yeah, we see that the model hasn't been history matched, but that's not the main thing that we want to discuss here. Go to tracers, deselect all, and here from injector 305, deselect all. We want to know how many injector 305 that has been injected. You see? So injector 305 has injected, this is the total injection, and this one is for injection rate. This is for injection mass fraction. All right. Production must be 0 because it's an injector. It's not a production well. So yeah, and let's go to 305. I mean the 2D map. I think the 305 is here. So the 305. So 305. All right, this is the injector and the adjacent producer is 508. I want to know how many injectors from this, how many tracers from B305 are produced from 508 because it's a production rail. So go to graphs, go to 508. All right, 508, and I want to know how many tracer from B305 are produced from this producer. So you select tracer B305 and go to production rate. All right. So wait a minute. All right. Here. So you can trace the production rate, all right, of B305 produced by producer 508. Okay. Yeah. And we can also check the grid properties and the another adjacent well 507. Okay, you can also go to 507 and this is the production rate profile. All right. Okay, so this is the production profile of B305 produced by 507. And we can also go to like okay, what about this well 514 producing tracers from B306 and B307 and 305. So let's go to 514. So 514 producing tracer B305 following this profile. And for the next tracer 306, this is the trend. I'm going to change the color. Right click, graph preference, go to, let's see, black. Okay. And tracer 305 and I think 307. Yeah, let's see. What about 307? Open 307 and production rate. Oh, so 514 doesn't produce tracer B307. You see the flow rate is 0. You can open the table, go down. Oh yeah, it produces tracer B307, but the value is small, the concentration, or not the concentration, but the production rate. But it increases, right? It increases because, yes, see, 307 here doesn't go to 504, 514 that much. But what about other tracer or the other injectors are quite far from 514? 303, 314. What about 30, 304? 304 production rate also small. But you get my idea, my point, right? So you can see this producer are producing tracer from which wells. All right, and again you can see the grid properties in 2D view or in 3D view. And yep, I think that's almost, or that's all that I can show you right now. So I hope all this learning are very important for all of us. Okay, using tracer is very useful, but it's not that difficult. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next Eng-Man videos or tNavigator sample videos. Thank you.